Hello, everyone, and welcome to English in Daily Life. I'm so happy you're here today.
Yes, hello friends. It's great to see you or hear you again. I'm really excited about today's episode.
Today's topic is one of my favorites. We are going to practice English with travel words.
Yes, travel English. Very useful when you go on a trip, when you visit another country, or even when you talk about travel.
That's right. We'll learn words like airport, ticket, hotel, bus, train, passport, and many more.
We'll also practice simple travel conversations, buying a ticket, checking in at the airport, asking for directions, and ordering food while traveling.
So if you love travel or if you dream about travel, this episode is for you.
Absolutely. And remember, friends, if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, share this podcast with your friends who also want to speak English better.
All right, are you ready to travel with us?
Let's pack our bags and let's start.
Let's talk about basic travel phrases.
Let's start with some very simple travel sentences.
Good idea. Listen to this. I want to travel.
Say it with us. I want to travel.
Again, I want to travel.
Good. You can also say, I like traveling.
Or I love traveling.
Exactly. Traveling means going from one place to another.
Let's listen again. Listen, I want to travel. I like traveling.
Now, let's talk about where you can travel.
Yes, you can travel by plane, by bus, by train, or by car.
Let's practice. Repeat after us.
By plane,
By bus.
by train.
By car.
Good job.
So you can say, I travel by plane or I travel by bus.
Easy, right? Let's listen again. Listen. I travel by plane. I travel by bus. I travel by train.
Perfect. Section 2. At the airport.
Now imagine you are at the airport.
Yes, that big place with airplanes.
Right. The airport has many parts: check-in counter, security, gate, and baggage claim.
Let's go one by one. At the check-in counter, you give your passport and ticket.
And the person says, "Can I see your passport, please?"
Let's repeat. Can I see your passport, please?
One more time. "Can I see your passport, please?"
Good. And you can answer, here you are.
Yes, polite and simple. Here you are.
Let's do a mini role play.
Mini role play at the check-in counter. Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags?
Yes, one suitcase.
Great. Your gate is number 12.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Nice. That was easy, right?
Very easy. Let's listen again. Listen. Can I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, one suitcase. Perfect. Section 3. On the plane.
Now you are on the plane. You sit down. You meet the flight attendant.
Right. The flight attendant might say, would you like something to drink?
You can answer, "Yes, water, please." Or, "No, thank you."
Let's practice that.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, water, please.
Or, "No, thank you."
Good job. Let's listen again. Listen. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, water, please.
Easy and polite. You can also say, excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Yes, that's very useful.
Let's repeat. Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Good.
Remember, excuse me is polite. It means you want to ask a question.
Exactly.
Section 4. arriving at the hotel.
Now you have arrived. You are at your hotel.
Yes, you walk to the reception desk.
The receptionist says, "Hello, do you have a reservation?"
Reservation means you booked a room before. Let's repeat. Do you have a reservation?
Good. And you can answer, "Yes, I have a reservation." Or, "No, I need a room."
Perfect. Let's listen again. Listen. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Good job. Mini role play. At the hotel.
Hello, welcome to Dream Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation. My name is John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Here is your room key.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Nice. Nice and easy. Let's listen again slowly. Listen. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation. Here is your room key.
Good practice. Section 5. Asking for directions.
Now, sometimes when we travel, we don't know where to go.
Yes, so we ask for directions.
You can say, "Excuse me, where is the bus station?"
Or, excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Let's repeat. Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Great.
Now, the person might answer, go straight and turn left.
Or, it's near the park.
Let's listen again. Listen. Go straight and turn left. It's near the park. Good.
Let's talk about at a restaurant while traveling.
Now you're hungry. Let's eat.
Yes, you go to a restaurant.
You can say, can I see the menu, please?
Or, I'd like some water, please.
Let's repeat. Can I see the menu, please?
I'd like some water, please.
Perfect.
When the food comes, you can say thank you.
And when you finish, you can say, the food was very good.
Or, I like this restaurant.
Let's listen again. Listen. Can I see the menu, please?
I'd like some water, please.
Good job.
Section 7. Talking about travel experiences.
Now, let's talk about travel experiences.
Yes, after you travel, people ask, "How was your trip?"
You can say, it was great, or it was fun.
Or maybe it was long.
Yes, sometimes long flights.
Let's repeat. It was great. It was fun. It was long.
Good.
You can also say where you went. I went to Paris, or I went to Japan.
Nice. Let's listen again. Listen. I went to Paris. It was great.
Perfect.
Section 8. Useful travel words review.
Okay, repeat after us.
Airport.
Passport,
Ticket.
suitcase,
Hotel.
reservation,
Menu.
bus.
Train.
Great job.
These are all important travel words.
Yes, you can use them in real life when you travel. Wrap up.
Wow. We learned so much today.
Yes, we practiced many travel words and short conversations.
Let's quickly review the key sentences.
Sure. I want to travel. I travel by plane. Can I see your passport, please? Where is the bathroom? Do you have a reservation? Excuse me, where is the bus station? Can I see the menu, please?
Great review.
Now it's your turn, dear listener. Practice speaking out loud. Say each phrase slowly.
Yes, repeat, repeat, repeat. That's how your English will grow.
And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Right. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Before we finish, we have a small question for you.
Yes. Today's question, where would you like to travel?
Tell us your answer in English.
Maybe you'll say, I want to travel to Japan.
Or, I want to visit London.
Wonderful answers.
Friends, thank you so much for joining us today on English in Daily Life. We hope you enjoyed learning English with us.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep practicing every day.
Because every word you learn is one step closer to your dream.
That's right. Until next time,
Keep smiling and keep speaking English.
bye for now.